Wanted to go over this topic, which is transforming the graph of a function by shrinking or stretching. It can be a little confusing when trying to determine what to do to the graph with these equations. So looking at the transformations, if we look at A, which is y equals f in parentheses 2x, and then this transformation right here is a horizontal compression by a factor of 2. So that is telling us we are going to be dividing the x-coordinate by 2. So these points that are already on the graph are going to be dividing the x-coordinates by 2. So let's go ahead and do that. So first we got to figure out, what are the points already. So the points on the graph are -2. So one of them is -2, -4. And then again, we are going to be looking at the x-coordinate, which is -2. So if we do -2, and then we're going to divide, again, the x-coordinate by 2, we are going to get -1. So this is going to change this to -1. We can go ahead and plot that point. We're going to do the rest for all the points. And then 0 divided by 2 is obviously it's not going to change, so we're going to keep our point at 0, 0. And then our last point, which will be at 2, which is at 2, -4. Again, we're going to look at the x-coordinate and do 2 divided by, 2 divided by 2, which is going to change this to 1. And then we can go ahead and put our segments just like so. Now looking at part B, this transformation is a vertical compression by 1/2. So we are going to multiply the y-coordinate by 1/2. So again, our first coordinate will be at 0, 0, and then 0 times 1/2 is 0, so that does not change. And then for 4, which is our next coordinate, again we are looking at the y value, so we are going to do 4 multiplied by 1/2, which is going to change our y coordinate to 2. We can go ahead and plot that point and our segment. Okay, once we have plotted our graphs, we can go ahead and check them. And we are correct.